Yet another factory acceptance test has been successfully carried out, and the Alfa Laval PureSOx scrubbers are leaving the factory to be delivered at a shipyard for installation.
Very welcome to Alfa Laval Qingdao. We are the biggest manufacturing site within Alfa Laval Group. We have three main product groups here. It's boiler systems, it is inert gas systems, and last but not least, exhaust gas cleaning systems.
Alfa Laval handles its own scrubber production and is steadily scaling up as demand intensifies. Qingdao is one of the key sites in both respects. The steel production space totals thousands of square meters, and this flexible space can easily be expanded further. The quality of the PureSOx technology is matched by our supply chain. When it comes to scrubber quality, corrosion is one of the main concerns. In addition to choosing the right materials, weld quality is a crucial factor. This is where our experts come in. Alfa Laval ensures high-quality welding through many certifications and our own in-house welding school. We have our own laboratory for testing material properties such as steel quality. Every scrubber that leaves our factory delivers the reliability you count on for compliance.
We have a skilled and committed labor force team here in Qingdao that takes safety and quality seriously.
Customers are always welcome to visit to see exactly how we serve them. They can also attend the factory acceptance test together with the Yard and Classification Society. As you can see, Alfa Laval has everything you need to be a step ahead.